Alright folks, this is Noah with Save Green here, and thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick sound test on the JBL CLIP2 that I recently did an unboxing for. And I want to compare the sound quality just having your straightforward device or a speaker. So we're using my wife's iPad here to test the sound quality. And the first thing we're going to do is just play the video. So that's just the sound quality coming out of the iPad. Now what we're going to do is switch over to the Bluetooth. And let's see. So we're going to turn the Bluetooth on. Okay, and then I'm going to press the JBL CLIP2. You hear the sound. That means it's connected. And then we're going to go back to the actual video and check the sound quality. So we'll give it a few seconds. I ain't your mama. Boy, I ain't your mama. When you gonna get your act together? I ain't your mama. I ain't your mama. So as you can see, the sound quality is really superb. And one thing I like is you can actually use the clip and kind of bend it back this way, and it will incline the speaker up so it's at an incline or an angle, so you can have the sound directed towards you. So I just noticed that myself when I was taking it out of the packaging. So it's something you might be able to do. Again, the sound quality is a little better than the first one. It does have a better waterproof rating than the regular JBL Clip, and the sound quality is just incredibly well-made speaker. And as far as the way it's made to be rugged is also very good. It is a little bit heavier than smaller Bluetooth speakers like the Altec Lansing. So it's one of those things where you either have one or the other. So the Altec Lansing is lighter, but the sound quality is not as great as the JBL CLIP2. But this one again is a little bit heavier to carry around. But again, you can clip it onto your backpack, to a handbag, purse, whatever, your belt, and enjoy the sound. It does last for 8 hours. So once again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Please click on the subscribe button on the bottom, and you'll get different videos from time to time regarding anything having to do with technology, phones. I also do videos on saving money and saving energy. Thank you for watching.